Hi, my name's David Barch, and I'm here to show you the 7th bucket of Christmas. We've got a nice rechargeable headlamp. We have the Skill digital level line, a nice DeWalt t-shirt. Got a nice ECX Milwaukee screwdriver. And after that, how about we spread some of the Christmas cheer, allow people to pick from the bucket. Here, spreading some cheer, Christmas cheer today. Would you like to pick a couple things from the bucket?
Thanks, Dave. I'd love to. Let's see, what do we got in here? Oh, nice. It's a 500 lumen rechargeable work light, Southwire. And you know, just in case this year you're planning on catching Santa in the act, this is by far the best duct tape you can get. Thanks a lot, Dave. I'm really excited for this holiday season.
Well,
you're such a good little elf.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy your gifts. Hey, would you like to pick something from the bucket?
Yes, I would. Spider Stinger power bit set. We got some Champion Brute Lube for your multi-purpose cutting wax to keep those bits in good, healthy shape. Got a one-handed opening DeWalt box cutter.
Well, thank you. I hope you enjoy your gifts, Clay.
Is that all I get?
Hey, Keith, would you like to pick something out of my bucket?
Oh, of course. Of course I'll help you with that, Dave. Looks like we got some G-Tech gloves. Got a Spider hole saw replacement pilot drill. We have some lift pencils.
A nice carpenter pencil.
Yes.
Those leads don't break.
Merry Christmas.
All right, well, my 7th bucket is dwindling down. Fortunately, Phil, I'm not sure, but I don't think there's anything left for you.
You know what, Dave? Why don't I add something for you? How about 20-piece bimetal hole dozer set, some Helly Hansen workwear, work pants, and these are awesome. Dax hard hat, lift the leather strap.
Well, that's it for the 7th bucket. Everybody have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.